Welcome to Viva Maya by Wyndham, an all-inclusive 4-star beachfront hotel nestled in beautiful Playa del Carmen. Just so you know, this is an honest review. We weren't paid, sponsored, or given anything in exchange. First, let's help you get your bearings with a quick aerial view of the resort. There are 3 main room blocks. Here you can see blocks A and B. Right in the heart of the resort, you'll find the pool bar, the snack bar, and the theater. Nestled among the trees are 2 of the a la carte restaurants, the Mediterranean and the Mexican. Next, we arrive at La Placita, the central square, and just above it on the 2nd floor is the main buffet restaurant. Just ahead is Block C, which belongs to the adults-only section. Across the street, you'll find a small shopping area with convenience stores, boutiques, and souvenirs. And looping back around, we return to the main entrance and the lobby. We came here with a surprise me mindset, no deep research. No expectations, just a sense of adventure. Sometimes, the best experiences come when you let a place reveal itself. Let's cut to the chase and start with what brings most people here, the beach. Soft white sand and the iconic turquoise to aqua blue waters of the Caribbean Sea. For shade, there are plenty of coconut palm trees, but you'll need to shift your spot as the sun moves throughout the day. That is, if you're spending the whole day at the beach like we did. There are also palapas in the VIP area, but those are reserved for Club Viva timeshare members. The hotel offers plenty of lounge chairs, though, like everywhere, you'll see people reserving them for hours. Still, we always manage to find a spot, even if it wasn't prime real estate. We compared this stretch of sand to neighboring hotels, and honestly, Viva Maya's beach is among the best, if not the best, on this part of the coast. Of course, you can't control the weather or the seaweed. The municipality cleans the beach daily, which is why there's a $12 per room cleaning fee. Still, sargassum can be an issue, especially with changing global conditions. But this is the new reality, and Caribbean destinations are doing their best to adapt. The vibe, quiet and peaceful in the early morning. Lively and bustling from late morning into the afternoon. You will encounter plenty of non-hotel vendors offering excursions. We took a chance with one, saved about $40 per person, and had a great time. But do your homework, ask for references, and never pay in full upfront. We also heard about a few people getting scammed, so just a heads up, be cautious. If booking a tour off the beach doesn't feel right for you, the hotel has an official excursions desk right in the lobby, run by trusted representatives. Curious about the tour we took? We filmed the whole thing. Just click the card up here to see how amazing it was. There's plenty to do beyond sunbathing. go kayaking, try sailing, or join a beach volleyball match. We even stumbled onto a fun ladder ball contest. The prize? A Viva Maya t-shirt and some good laughs. And don't skip the water aerobics. Trust me, it's way more fun than it sounds. Just steps from the sand, the pool area is a lively hub of activity. It features a generously sized main pool that fits the resort perfectly, plus a kids' pool and a jacuzzi for relaxing. The foam party is a must-see. An outside team brings all the energy and fun. From what we saw, it seems to happen once a week in the afternoon. The pool bar is always buzzing. We became regulars, with a routine of a tequila shot and a second drink to go. It's the perfect spot to cool off and socialize. The snack bar was a great option if you didn't feel like walking to the buffet. You could grab something quick, like a hot dog, pizza, or burger, or even put together a full meal with salad and grilled chicken. One thing that sets Viva Maya apart is its lush landscape. The grounds are filled with trees and bushes, giving it a jungle-like feel without actually being in the jungle. Local wildlife loves it too. We spotted nasuas, sereques, and all kinds of birds. Sereques are everywhere, even roaming the beach when it's quiet. There's a tranquil spot in the heart of the hotel, with Mayan god sculptures and more wildlife. Viva Maya has a colonial-style layout with 604 guest rooms spread across 3 blocks, each with 3 floors. Only one of the blocks, Building B, according to the resort map, has an elevator. So if you have mobility issues, be sure to request a ground floor room or a spot in that building. Even though it's a large hotel, it doesn't feel overwhelming. Everything is relatively close unless you're staying in the adults-only section, which is set farther back from the beach. From there, it's about a 7-minute walk at a normal pace. Here's a quick peek as we walk to our room. Inside, you'll find a safe, as expected, and a mini fridge tucked away in the closet, though it's not stocked. The beds were comfortable, and there were more than enough pillows. The bathroom was spacious and worked well overall, but there was a small issue: limited places to hang towels. There's just one towel bar, enough for a single open towel or 2 folded ones. No hooks for hand towels either, so you end up with a small pile by the sink. Not a big deal, but a few extra hooks would definitely improve the experience. The housekeeping team was both efficient and welcoming. Our room and bathroom were always spotless and well cared for. Our room had a small patio that opened onto a quiet pathway along the fence separating us from the neighboring hotel. And on the ground floor, we also found a purified water dispenser, though I'm not sure if that's available on every floor. Let's talk food. The main buffet offered a great variety with something for every taste. No matter the meal, there was always a good assortment of fruits and a wide selection of fresh juices. Beer, red wine, and white wine are on tap, and you can either serve yourself or have the staff bring it to your table. For soft drinks, there was a machine with Pepsi, Diet Pepsi, and what I think was 7-Up. Though, for some reason, they didn't taste great. But honestly, with so many fresh juice options, who needs soda? I'm not a coffee snob, but we weren't fans of the coffee served in the buffet. It had this weird aftertaste. So we ended up grabbing coffee from Viva Cafe and bringing it to breakfast instead. A total game changer. The servers were consistently friendly, and we have to give a special shout out to Antonio at breakfast. Always singing and guaranteed to start your day with a smile. As for dessert, our group was divided, but the most of us agreed that the dessert options at the buffet were nothing to write home about, with one exception, the Mexican-themed night, though sadly, no churros any night. We were a bit disappointed. Now, let's talk about the a la carte restaurants. There are 4: Mexican, Mediterranean, Italian, and fusion, or international. The Mediterranean was our absolute favorite. Everything was delicious from the starters to dessert, and the ambiance was fantastic. But fair warning, reservations go fast. Some of our friends didn't get a chance to try it at all, so book as early as you can. The Mexican restaurant is, of course, a must-try. You're in Mexico after all. Unfortunately, I forgot to adjust the GoPro settings during our first visit, so I went back the next day to refilm. But daytime just doesn't capture the charm it has at night. Still, the food was great, the drinks were strong, and a few of us left the dinner a little tipsy and very happy. The Italian and fusion/international restaurants were hit and miss for our group. Not bad, just a bit inconsistent, but we'd still give them another shot next time and try different dishes. La Placita is the social heart of the resort, and it's also where you'll find one of our favorite spots, the Cafe Maya. They serve gourmet coffee, fresh juices, smoothies, and pastries. My personal favorite, the green detox juice, refreshing and perfect for starting the day. In the evening, La Placita transforms into the center of the action. Live bands, DJs, and dance performances light up the square, creating a vibrant atmosphere that's fun for both families and couples. Each evening, the resort's animation team puts on a different show in the on-site theater, a highlight for many guests. The repertoire includes international dance shows, acrobatic performances featuring the resort's trapeze team, and family-friendly themed shows. These performances rotate through about a week, 7 different shows starting around 9 p.m. The Mr. Maya contest was a hilarious guest competition. Basically, a playful pageant-style event where participants showed off their charm and cracked everyone up. There are also kids' discos and special children's performances, and the animation team encourages participation from both kids and adults. If you're traveling with kids or teens, the game room is a cozy little spot above the lobby bar. Our kids spent their evenings here playing pool, foosball, and giant chess. It's not huge, but it's a nice option for some downtime. Just across the street, you'll find souvenir shops, boutiques, pharmacies, and bars. Viva Maya is located in the exclusive Playa Car complex, a gated community known for its upscale resorts, residential villas, and luxury golf clubs. Playa del Carmen itself is a bit less touristy, more adventurous, and offers better access to the region's top attractions. You're still paying gringo prices, but it's actually cheaper than Playa's Fifth Avenue or Cancun, And the best part? It's super convenient and just a short walk, less than 5 minutes from the lobby. Now we are heading toward the adults-only block, but on the way there, we'll pass a few spots worth mentioning. First up is the doctor's office, and right next to it, the gym. Then there's the archery range. Yes, they have archery. You'll also spot more of the hotel's regulars, the Serikways, roaming around. And let's be honest, it's kind of funny that the kids club is the last stop before entering the adults-only area. If you're looking for extra peace and quiet, this section is tucked away at the back of the resort and definitely delivers a more tranquil vibe. Yep, it's as calm as it looks, complete with its own pool, a bar, and barely any crowds. And just around the corner, there's a hidden gem, the hammock garden. I didn't see hammocks anywhere else on the property, so this is the place to chill. So, what's the verdict? We're giving Viva Maya by Wyndham a solid 5 out of 5 stars. Nothing was perfect, but everything was good. A beautiful beach, tasty food, comfy rooms, super friendly staff, and fun drinks. The downsides? Just a few small things. The buffet coffee could be better, the bathroom could use more hooks or towel racks, and the desserts at the buffet were hit or miss. Bring on the churros. Also, where's the coconut water? As for things outside the hotel's control, the airport is about 90 minutes away and you'll see plenty of beach vendors. But honestly, that's typical for this region. All in all, we had a fantastic stay, and we're already hoping to come back next year. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and let us know your favorite part in the comments. See you at the beach.